Good morning, everyone. This is Sauranya working as assistant professor in CSC department at GRIT. In this video, we are learning the different cloud reference architecture actors. Now, we already know that there are five actors will be available in the NIST architecture: cloud consumers, providers, auditor, carriers, and consumers. Right now, in this video, we are learning the first one is that cloud consumers. A cloud consumer is the principal stakeholder for the cloud computing service. A cloud consumer browses the service catalog from a cloud provider, requests the appropriate service, sets up the service contract with the cloud provider, and uses the service. The cloud consumer may be billed for the service provisioned and needs to arrange the payments accordingly. So, for some of the example which will be available here, example for the service available to a cloud consumer, so here business intelligence, development and testing, PaaS consumer, SaaS consumer, and IaaS consumers, right? So here, what are the SaaS consumer available? Document management, collaboration, CRM, sales, billing, ERP, human resources, social networks, financial, content management, email and office and productivity. Then IaaS consumer storage, CDN, backup and recovery, compute, platform hosting, and service management. Whereas come to the past consumer, it has the business intelligence, development and testing, integration, application development, as well as the database. These are the different service available for the cloud consumer. These are all provided by the cloud provider. Next actor is the cloud provider. A cloud provider is a person or an organization. It is the entity responsible for making a service available to the interested parties. It acquires and manages the computing infrastructure required for providing the services. It runs the cloud software that provides the services. It also makes the arrangement to deliver the cloud services to the cloud consumer through the network. So some of the major activities of the cloud provider. The cloud provider is providing the activities like service deployment, service orchestration, cloud service management, security, and the privacy. These all provided to the cloud consumers. Next one is the cloud auditor. A cloud auditor can evaluate the services provided by a cloud provider in terms of security controls, privacy impact, performance, etc. A cloud auditor can make an assessment of the security controls in the information system to determine the extent to which the controls are implemented correctly. It is producing the designed output with respect to the security requirements for the system. Next actor is the cloud broker. The cloud broker will act like a bridge between the consumer as well as the provider. A cloud consumer may request cloud services from a cloud broker instead of contacting directly from the cloud provider. A cloud broker is an entity that manages the use, performance, and delivery of cloud services and negotiates relationship between the cloud provider and the cloud consumers. A cloud broker can also provide the services, right? So those are the three categories. Those are divided into three categories: service intermediation, service aggregation, service arbitration. What is the service intermediation? In it, the service intermediation enhances a given service by improving some specific capability and providing value-added services to the cloud consumers. Next one is service aggregation. It provides the data integration and ensures that secure data movement between the cloud consumer as well as the multiple cloud providers. Next one is the service arbitrage. It has the flexibility to choose services from the multiple agencies. Right? These are the category. These are the services which are provided by the cloud provider, cloud broker from the cloud consumer, cloud provider to the cloud consumer. Right, next one is the last one, cloud carrier. This is the last actor which is available in the NIST architecture. A cloud carrier acts as an intermediary that provides connectivity and transport of cloud services between the cloud consumers as well as the cloud providers. Here, see here, these are the cloud providers The cloud provider is providing the three services like IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, means software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. Then cloud consumer is taking the services from the cloud provider like software as a service, platform as a service, IaaS is a infrastructure as a service. In between, we are having that application layer, middle layer, operating system layer. So this will be, we are calling as cloud carrier. A cloud carrier acts as an intermediary that provides connectivity and transport of cloud services to the from the cloud provider to the cloud consumer. This is the reason these are divided into three layers: application, middle, as well as the operating system layer. Thank you.